Oh, so anyway, good morning, everybody. Here at the Strip. I'm not up at the house in Summerlin West. Yeah, what a morning. What a morning. I haven't gone to bed yet. I've been up like 24/7. I did an all-nighter again, everybody. Sunrise here in Vegas. Well, good morning, everyone. It is your friend Gino, and I am here. Well, I live here. I haven't gotten to bed yet, so I've done another all-nighter, man. I've been up since yesterday. So, yeah. And I'm like, hell, let's go over here. I didn't think there'd be like anyone out this early. Or late, however you want to look at it, but yeah, so, oh man, usually there's like this big ass line, a big ass line to see this. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna cut it and I'll be right back, everybody. I'll be right back, hold on. Alright, everyone, I'm back. So good morning, and yeah, like usually there's like a big ass line. Oh yeah, there's a lot of people coming. I timed it just right. Yeah, and we got the planes right here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. So anyway, good morning, everybody. Here at the Strip. I'm not up at the house in Summerlin West. Yeah. What a morning. What a morning. I haven't gone to bed yet. I've been up like 24/7. I did an all-nighter again, everybody. Sunrise here in Vegas. Yeah. Oh man, we got the jets right here. We got the planes. Yeah. Dang. It's like probably like what, 5 something? I have no idea. We're gonna get over to the car. Man. Yeah, so I thought, hell, I'm gonna record. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got the jets right here. Yeah, usually there's like an hour-long wait. But if you get here early enough, or late enough, however side you're looking at it, yeah, because there's my car. Usually it's packed. Oh man, yeah. Vegas, everybody. I live here. Wow. So I got my coffee, my terribles. The coffee is kind of terrible as well. It's not the greatest. It's like it cost me like $1.50. Oh man. Mandalay Bay. That's right. Oh man. Oh, there goes the deuce. The deuce. Yeah, this is really rare, actually. You know what? I'm going to take a minute and go, like, there's really nobody to speak of. And when I rolled up over here, literally, it was just myself. Wow, this coffee's still hot. It's still hot, hot, hot. Oh. Yeah. Well, let's hit the Strip. Yep. Oh my God, I'm gonna go probably eat at the Pyramid Cafe. I'm always talking about it, but I think today I might pull through. Yeah. Except I feel like I look kind of like, ugh. Yeah, Vegas. Oh, man. All right. We're going to get rolling. Man. Oh, my God. All right.
And add a little ambiance with string.
Okay, I didn't know how it was going to turn out, everyone. Usually, my phone links to the car, but hey, it's Friday morning here in Las Vegas. That's right. And you're with Insomniac Gino. That's right. I've been up all night. I haven't gone to bed yet, so that's right. We're doing a strip vibe check. It's quiet out. That's why I was able to get picture or video over at the Welcome to Vegas sign. I think I'm going to get some pancakes, too. Here at at the Luxor, I'm always talking about getting the pyramid stacks. Yeah, there's Mandalay Bay. Oh man, yeah, Friday morning, everyone, here in Las Vegas. I'm a minute away from the house, Summerlin West. It's a minute away. Well, not you. Everyone knows what I mean by a minute. It's probably like I'm 12 miles from the Strip, but I can get here pretty quick too if I need to. Yeah, it's a really nice morning. It's beautiful out. I'm sorry, my mind, it's a little cloudy. I'm like really tired. And I may do some backyard work in a little while. I probably will, knowing myself. But I like recording. So everyone who knows me knows I'm always like recording everything and making live videos, because if I could take everyone on this journey with me, why not? Everyone likes seeing what's going on somewhere. I know I do. And yeah, got my coffee, my decaf coffee. I don't use caffeine. And it's, oh my gosh, it's 5:44 in the AM. Damn, I'm never up this early. Like usually I get up later. I'm not an early morning person, only if I absolutely have to. And my situation and oh my God, it was amazing. Oh my God. But whoa, look at this chicken. Something about the chicken menu, and it's here to stay. Wow. Well, there's Paris. And the Deuce. I like that bus. It's like so badass. If you ride on it, it's amazing for video recording. So if you like video recording like I do, I love video recording. That's a great bus. You can just like sit up on the top front and you have a panoramic view of the Strip, and bring a tripod and you're golden. Yeah. There's like not that many. Well, there's people out right now, but it's workers. Or like hardcore gamblers or alcoholics maybe. Or a little of both. Yeah. I'm doing some construction. Yeah. Yeah, it's really early, everybody. Like, yeah, it's way early. The other day, I pulled an all-nighter as well. Yeah, In-N-Out Burger. That sounds pretty good right now. Except my clock gets all screwed up. It's like I didn't eat dinner. I should have, but I didn't. And, yeah, hamburger for breakfast sounds pretty good. I could have a hamburger. Oh man, but I'm gonna probably, maybe. See, I'm always talking about the Pyramid Cafe. And honestly, if I went in right now, I guarantee you there wouldn't be a line. Probably not. Because it's too early for anybody. But the thing is this too. When I get up really early, I don't eat breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person. Just, I'll have it sometimes, but I don't prefer it. I'll have like a lunch and then a dinner and that's it. Because really early in the morning, I'm feeling kind of just always, ugh. And Moses, if you're watching right now in this particular video segment, hello, here's the Venetian. I'm sure you're hard at work right now. Oh, no, you're in the new building. You're right over here. So, hello, Moses. If you happen to see this and you're working, shout out to you. Dang, you are a hard worker, man. Yeah. There's a lot of construction going on, huh? Wow. But it's really nice out. What, it's 72 out this early? Dang. It's going to be a little warm today, huh? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning, everybody. It's so nice out. It's so beautiful. Look at the colors. Whoa. Oh, shit. You know, there's always construction everywhere here. Yeah. Hey, there he is. Good morning, Moses. I just passed the Venetian. I wasn't sure if you were watching or not, but well, you know how my morning went. But wow. We got the, what is this? The Resorts World. Look at that. Whoa. Got all sorts of stuff going on over here today. There's like some guy on a scooter going by. I see those everywhere out here. The scooters, the electric ones. But we got the decaf coffee. And I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I might have breakfast, maybe not. We'll see. There's like some business people. They're up early. Dang. I don't know, maybe there's like a convention going on or something. Yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to share everything with everybody. It's an interesting morning. I'm in a happy mood. And I might, in about two and a half hours, I might be doing some side yard work, and from then on, I don't know. I'm gonna probably go to bed. I'm gonna take a little nap. Wow, there's like dragons up there, everybody. Look at all that money. Whoa. Yeah, I heard though that this casino doesn't pay out too well. But anyway, look at the sunrise. Wow. Yeah, and the Fontaine blue, or fountain blue, either or. I guess there's no right or wrong answer to that. But I'm going to probably be cutting it. I'm at the north end of the Las Vegas Strip. On my way over to the Spaghetti Bowl. It's a colloquy, I believe. I don't know. It's too early for me. Money, yeah, exactly. That's right, Moses. But, wow, it's a nice morning. I'm rarely up this early. I don't even think Astra's up. She's probably sleeping. All right, everyone. Bye.